Hey there, it's Don with the DIY Collaborative, and today I wanted to share something with you that I recently tried. Uh, I don't know why I didn't know about these sooner, but I found out about these vacuum bags that you can get for shop vacs. Previously, I didn't use a bag. I just, would open it up and dump it out, and my filter would be filthy and all of this. So I've got a few clips that I'm going to put in there in the video to show you of a bathroom remodel that we've been working on, and we had insulation, tile debris, flooring debris, just all kinds of stuff, drywall, hardy, backer board, all kinds of debris in this bathroom floor. And I went in with my shop vac and did some final cleanup before the tile could be laid and working on the bathroom. But I wanted to show you what it looks like with a bag in this thing. So it's actually pretty clean. The filter is a little bit dirty because we were vacuuming up drywall dust. But this bag, it's pretty simple. You just pull this bag off and all of the debris is captured in this bag. So I think that's pretty awesome because previously this can would be full. And what I do is just take this bag and throw it away, put a new bag in, and I'm good to go. But there's quite a bit of debris in here. This thing probably weighs 4 or 5 pounds anyway. Now I bought these, I think in a 2-pack, and I just keep the extra bags with my vacuum attachments there. But you open it up, and you kind of want to position it around the canister of the vacuum, like so. And then where this little piece of cardboard is just slides over the intake like that, and you want to get it all the way up against the wall, and just like that, and then you can put your vacuum back on and you're good to go. We're in the garage, so that's the air compressor kicking in. So that's pretty much it though. So that's, you're good to go. I didn't have to stop and do a lot of cleaning and everything on this. And that was my tip. So hopefully this helps you out. I'm using these bags in this shop vac, and I've also got a 2-gallon shop vac that I recently got, and we're using bags in it. So just a short tip for everybody. What are we looking at?
I think we should look at the kind you got.
Oh, well, these were just Heart brand, and I think I actually found these on clearance at I think this was Walmart, but you can get these on Amazon. In fact, I'll put a link on Amazon to where you can get these. But I found these. I always check the manager special aisle at Walmart, and these happen to be on clearance, so I snagged them. So the shower has all of the Hardy. The new drywall ceiling is in. The light is ready. The niche is in, if I didn't say that already. The head's been raised because we have tall people living here. And I don't know if you can see it, but the valve is over here now. And the pan, the membrane in the pan is in. And the new drain is set.